In this video, I would like to show you how to connect I2C based LCD panel. This is 16 characters by 2 rows. I am also going to show you how to simultaneously collect another I2C device, that is the keypad, which we have seen in the previous video. I would also like to show you how to connect this 20 characters by 4 lines LCD panel, LCD display. Now Arduino is connected. Okay. I connected wrongly. I don't know whether I ruined the circuit. It was on for a long time. I got it out because Arduino was looking pretty dull. Those LEDs on the Arduino were looking pretty dull. So now let me check. Oh, okay, now it is. I think hopefully it is working. I have not ruined it. The ICs did not get burnt. So let us start again from here. So this is I2C based 16 by 2 LCD. We have connected 5 volts power supply, ground. This is SCL and SDA. This I terminated on this breadboard. Okay. Now again, this also I2C based. I connected this plus 5 volts ground and SCL and SDA. These pins also I terminated here. Okay, I terminated them all here. So all the SCL, SDA are terminated here. Power supply is terminated here, so that SCL, SDA is connected again here to Arduino A5 and A4 pins. And this is 5 volts and ground connecting here. Okay, now the first thing we have to do is find out the I2C addresses of different devices. In the earlier video we have already seen that the I2C address for this keyboard is 0x38. Now we need to find out this one. We have connected them in parallel. We should be able to operate them simultaneously. So now I am going to run this I2C find address program. I am uploading. So done uploading. Let's go to the serial monitor. See, can you see this 0x3F? This other 038 is my keypad. 3F is new one. Okay, so we'll have to use that one. Now let me open this LCD program. Let me check only LCD first to see whether it is working. So it is 03F, is it? Okay, let me write 03F. So this is a liquid crystal I2C.h. This is a library you can download. I'll give you the link in the video description below. This is the definition, the address we have given, and then 16 means 16 characters, 2 means 2 rows. Okay, LCD begin. No backlight. No backlight I have given. Normally you give LCD.backlight. Here I have given no backlight because with backlight I have some problem in recording the video with my cell phone. Then I am printing LCD hello world, waiting for 2000 milliseconds, again clearing the display. Then I am setting the cursor to the first row, first column. Then I am simply printing 0 to 15 characters, the 2 hex codes, okay? And then I am doing the reverse in the second row. So let us run this. Done uploading. Can you see this? Let me magnify this and see. Okay. In the previous video, we have already connected the 4x4 keypad. I am using the same program, but in that I have inserted the code for this. See, the issue here is, in this program we are reading char key is equal to keypad dot get key, okay, and our output from the keyboard is variable key, okay. So in the LCD I am saying LCD set cursor 13 comma 1, okay, at position 13 in row, this is row 2, this here 1 means row 2, okay. Then LCD.print char of key. I think I can even say LCD.write so that I don't have to convert this ASCII character, okay. Anyway, I am just like that printing to serial port also. So anyway, here we are not bothered about serial port. So what I am doing is, inside this one, same LCD begin and all that, okay. Initially print LCD print, wait for 2 seconds, then set cursor to 0 1, then say LCD print key pressed, okay. In the first row, in the second row I am saying key pressed, and then when I get the key I am displaying it there in the loop. Now uploading. Okay, now it says YK Prakash. It says key pressed. It is waiting for the key. Now let me press the key and see. Oh, we need to switch off the backlight. Otherwise, I won't be able to show you this. Okay, where is it? Oh, LCD dot backlight. Let me copy this. Okay, I'll run this. Then no backlight. Okay. Fine. Now no backlight. You can see what it is clearly. Hopefully. Is it showing? 1? Yes. Let me press A. A it is showing. C it is showing. D it is showing. Star it is showing. Hash it is showing. 8 it is showing. 4 it is showing. Okay, that's how we connect and operate the keypad and show it on the LCD at the same time. So we are able to use 2 I2C devices parallelly. Now let us see how to connect the 20x4 LCD panel. Now I'll connect this, remove this. I hope I'm connecting it properly this time. I don't want to do any mistake. Okay. Now what is the program I need? I think it is LCD 240. First anyway I need to find out I2C address, right? So I'll try to find out the I2C address. Okay, go to serial monitor. So 38 is our keypad. This is 27, 0x27, this one. Okay, 0x27. Now let me show you. This is LCD 20 into 40. I don't know what is this, 20 into 40. Okay, 20 into 4 rows. Okay, now 27. 27 I've already given here. 27 X code. This is 20 characters, 4 rows. Okay, same program. I'm saying hello world. Again in the first row, like earlier, I'm printing 0 to F, 0 to F. In the third row I'm printing 20 full length of character stars. In the fourth row I'm printing a hash for the full range. So now let me try my luck. Uploading, done. Hello world, and it is showing. Can you see it? I think backlighting is on. No, you can't see anything. So let me undo this backlighting business again. Control C. Make it a remark or comment it out. Control. Okay, I am from GW Basic days, very old man. So I'll say remark instead of comment. Okay. No, I can't see anything. Okay, now can you see? So that is the display. I'm sorry, I don't know how to make it take a video of this. So anyway, this is the LCD display. So in this video I tried to show you how to connect this 16:2 LCD with I2C, and then attach this keypad and read the keypad reading on the LCD. Then just show you how to connect 20 characters by 4 rows LCD panel, this big panel. Okay, thank you for watching the video.